question for
Yeah.
you, Amit, is what is by far the most interesting startup that you've worked with? And it doesn't necessarily have to be a very successful one, but sometimes you meet just the right guys doing even things at a small scale. But everybody needs a CA and legal help. So, which is the most interesting thus far in your portfolio?
So yes. Rajesh, what was your question?
No, my question was only very general to say what has been your experience of dealing with these startups? I mean,
Yes. So right, so let me explain to you my own experience, our own experience, guys. So being an engineer and a lawyer, unfortunately, हमें गोरो ने train कर दिया था. We went to the US and Motorola में we got training in from US patent lawyers. So we understood how the patent system work in the US, and we came back to India, data law and all of that. So in this, we have been fortunate enough, the people in IP field have been fortunate enough to talk to founders mainly, because idea unko generally aata hai, and then they want to protect their ideas. They are like either they are CTOs or CEOs or PhDs or doctors or scientists. So we on an everyday basis are talking to these folks who are very passionate about their ideas. Now sometimes they have money, sometimes they don't have money. So we try to help as many people as possible in protecting their IP, because a lot of our clients, in 65% of them are from the US, they say we'll pay you later, and we are okay with that. Let's file a patent first, and we'll give them some payment terms of 60 days, 90 days, and they pay us later after they secure a funding round based upon their IP. Interesting startups. So one of my clients, they solve a fantastic problem of sugarcane juice, ganne ka juice. Now, ganne ka juice is a roadside commodity, and we always like ganne ka juice, but we are always hesitant about the hygiene and the flies around and all of that. So these people identify the people love ganne ka juice, but they are worried about quality and hygiene. So they invented a ganne ka juice ka vending machine, where you just press a button. गन्ने आप डाले हुए हैं, you press a button, गन्ने का juice comes from the vending machine, and there's zero human intervention. So we filed a patent for them, for the vending machine. They would store the ganna sticks, the sugarcane sticks in the machine. You press a button, how the sticks will fall one by one in the machine. One stick will go in the crusher, and the crusher will crush the stick, and the sticks have to fall one by one. If too many sticks fall, the machine will go bonkers. So it's how the sticks will fall one by one in the machine, how the stick will go into a crusher, how each stick will give you about 75% of the glass filled. So that patent we filed, and it got granted in about 8 months in India. Another very promising startup is iMocha. It's a Pune-based startup. iMocha is basically it's a video which, let's say, they would test somebody's English on a video, and the AI behind the video is checking your English. So there's somebody observing you, judging you on your English, and all these tests, which these iMocha software is being used by Microsoft. And about 3 weeks back, Satya Nadella himself spoke about iMocha, how iMocha is helping Microsoft in shortlisting the candidates for the job interviews. So we have filed a bunch of patents for iMocha, and this is again very interesting patent. A lot of other patents that we have worked with, so a lot of other inventions. Every day, दो तीन नई inventions हम काम करते हैं उनके ऊपर, and it's always very interesting to work with people with different ideas in different domains. Somebody's software, somebody's mechanical, somebody's chemical, chemistry, and all of that.
On this lines, Amit, why is it you think for a startup it's actually important to look at IP or even file for their patents? What is the most important thing because of which they need to look at it?
So the most important thing is they were the ones who thought about solving a problem. Or if they have a solution for it, they must protect the solution. Otherwise, India may ya kahin pe bhi, the copy will come in no time. You know why Ola came in India? Uber has filed 141 patents in the US on the Uber app. They did not file any of those patents in India. That's why Ola was born in India. If Uber would have filed those patents in India as well, Ola wouldn't have born. So, अगर आपने solution निकाला है, it's very important to stop the competition. So that's the primary reason. And then, if you were the first person to think of a solution, and the investor comes to you and asks you how will you stop competition, the patent is your answer. what's your niche, what have you done. If you have a granted patent, that means the government body thinks that your invention is new, your idea is novel. The government body here is the patent office. Basically, if the patent office gives you a grant on the patent, that's a good indication that your invention, your idea is new, is novel. So that's why, for all these factors, very important to protect your idea, because you have spent maybe a lot of time, a lot of money in inventing that. And it's very important to protect your innovation. It's very important to protect your idea. That's why patents are important. And so are trademarks.
Amit, what
Did
is the cane juice startup called?
CaneBot.
CaneBot. Interesting.
C-A-N-E bot.
Got it. It reminds me of the orange juice vending machines that you see all across Europe, right? I think there's you see them in Singapore as well, where you just click in and the orange falls down and it gets like properly squashed and the skin is aside, and then you get so this is like the best desi twist somebody is given to the vending machines. Very interesting. When I'm in India, I'll try it. Is it only in Pune or is it across Mumbai as well?
So currently they have only filed the patent, and now they would license the patent to a vending machine company and just make money based upon the royalty, or they would make the vending machines themselves. It's not currently in the market.
Oh, okay.
So that's the beauty of a patent. You can patent the idea first, and then you can think of making it, prototyping it, launching a business, or licensing the patent. So that's the beauty of a patent.
Very interesting.